Hi everyone. So far we have seen all the basic commands in Fusion. We have done a task step by step of how to draw a power strip. At this stage, it's time for you to exercise your creative freedom. So this video is going to be more about showing you different types of lamp shades and lamps that can be done and exercising few simple features that you might have already known or you might have just missed them. The goal of this video is not to give an instructional step-by-step instructions to build the lamp, but to just give you an overview of how to draw a lamp. So let's get started. I have a few ideas of a lamp that I have made in the past, so I'm going to share a few of them with you. One of the interesting things that I've done is this typical woven basket lamp, and how the interesting part in this will be two tools that I use. One is how I made this woven pattern, and the other will be how I split a single body into two halves. So if you want to go with that, first thing would be to draw a sketch. That would be to again, I took out the cross section. I drew the cross section over here and I revolved it. So it gave me the base shape. Now I need a top portion where my lamp holder will go and a bottom portion where I could draw something I want. But before I do that, this is a solid object, so I need it to be hollow. I'm going to shell it out from this feature. That's exactly what I did. I shelled the body and now I have space inside for my lamp holder and everything. Before I go to the lamp holder part, I'm gonna split the body, one half from here, one half to hold my lamp holder and the rest to kind of show the woven pattern. I'm going to use something called as a split face command. That's this command over here right next to your combine object. It's very similar. It's just the opposite of your combine command. Instead of clicking on two bodies and clicking combine, you're going to click on on a body and show where you're going to split it with the help of a plane, and it will split the body for you. This plane, you could drag it up and down and that will split the body for you. Because it's already split, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go ahead and show. So there's a split over here. These are two different bodies, as you can see. You can toggle here when you want to show or close a body with the eye symbol. Next, I draw a stump for my lamp holding part. So I draw a circle and I kind of extrude it so now I have a stub, if it's visible. It's just a place where my lamp holder is going to go. I focused more on the basket. The next thing I did was to draw something like, let me show you. Draw a rectangle. Take this face plane, the back face, and draw the sketch across, and extrude and cut the object out. When you extrude and cut, I'm going to show you what happened here. I chose the intersection, so it left just this strip over here. Now go ahead and circular pattern this in one direction. So I took a circular pattern and a different spacing. I went ahead and patterned this. Same thing, I went ahead and did a circular pattern in the opposite direction. So what I did, I selected a full angle, selected the objects and the axis. This time the axis was in the opposite direction. I chose a quantity and I populated my object. So I finally had a lampshade. So this was a basket lampshade. If you want to look at a typical IKEA lampshade, I could show you that one as well. This is a standard lampshade that you see in a lot of places. This is a simple IKEA lampshade that you will see. I made a mistake over here. So if you wish to correct it, you can just draw. This is a simple pipe command. If you look into it, I draw the sketch, then I draw a pipe, then I draw a sketch again. Give it a and I extend the pipe, and I draw a pipe again. Alternatively, you don't need this joint. What you can do is you can in a true IKEA pipe, it's just a single pipe command. Draw this and draw this outside the plane. So you leave it, don't join it over here. Don't join this. Instead, just leave it open. Complete the pipe. Then from this end, draw on the top plane, draw a straight line, and draw the pipe command again. So these were some of the more complicated ones. A simple table lamp could be drawn with a revolve command. The typical target lamps, if you wish to draw, just take the front plane. And this will be the base, goes straight, right? And I'm going to create an arc. That's it. Now you would add a bit of fillet for the corners. So finish the sketch. Revolve it about this axis. Okay. Now I haven't really paid attention to the dimensions. Go ahead. Go ahead, draw a stump over here for your holder, for your bulb holder. In your drawings, make sure to show the bulb and the bulb holder, and you could make changes over here. You could make a more curvature. You could give a curvature over here as well. So here, instead of it going like this, just add a simple constraint of making them tangential. Okay, so the dimensions don't allow me to make it tangential, so I'm just going to so in areas where the tangent command doesn't work, go ahead and use the conic curve. Add a fillet of, I like 10 mm right now, so I'm going to keep it 10. Finish sketch, and there you go, you have the curvature again. So these are simpler ways in which you could make most of your lamps in this feature. So good luck.